What is up, everyone? This is Steel Cone Prepper, and tonight, before the wind starts gusting up, it's too late. I'm going to show you guys what I usually do to store my wood stove for the winter. So, as you guys know, I do have a barrel stove kit, and you know, I figured as easy as it is to put up, show you how easy it is to store. So I've got all my stovepipe and the cat right next to my barrel stove, and I've got the lid over here beside me. I'm just going to show you everything pretty much stores in the barrel itself. So I've got these and they are not clean. Nothing's clean. I will clean them later on. I just got to put them up before the rain gets in and at least out of the way in the shed a little bit. So everything actually just fits in the stove itself really well. Like I said, I normally do take the elbows off and put them, set them in there separately, but I will do that at a later time. Just like this, usually stacks right up, and I do have this small section that goes from the stove itself out through the window. So that's about how easy that is about how easy it is to store the wood stove. And there is the lid. So all I've got to do really is pick the lid up. Oh, these things are heavy. Doing it one-handed. So just pick the lid up and set it on there, and just roll it over into the storage shed. And they're pretty ready to keep for the winter. However, I am going to change out this barrel and put a new barrel. I will keep this lid. That way it's less work that I have to do. All I've got to do is order replacement screws, and I will replace the screws on the legs as well as the flue on top. I will replace that as well, the screws on that as well. I do have a couple extra barrels. They're a dime a dozen. In fact, my brother-in-law gave me 2, and my other brother-in-law is giving me 3 more. So, you know, that's 5 barrels, and I probably won't, I don't know. I think what I will do with this one for the summer is I will keep it in use, but I will use it, I will build a smoker. I think I'm going to build a smoker with it if I don't completely replace it, because I am planning on replacing the stovepipe, because it is rusted through in some places around the edge. Around the bottom lip. So if I would have to change anything, I probably would have got a different stovepipe, and I definitely would not have gotten the clip together stuff, the tongue and groove, I guess you'd call it, because that stuff does not work very well. I don't like it at all. So I probably will get I will get new stovepipe for this coming year, and I will replace this barrel stove only because it does have a spot that is completely rusted out about 1 inch down from there. There's a spot, there's a small hole. I could probably fill it with a bolt, a nut and bolt, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it. I do love this thing. Again, I love this thing. It's awesome. It's a great wood stove. So there you guys have it. There it is, all stored up. If you guys like this video and want to see more, just let me know down below what you guys want to see in particular. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I put up new content. So there it is. One more look in there. Everything's stored up, at least till I can get it moved to the shed and till these coming storms pass. So there you guys go.